Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Can I hide away above it all? In the silence, it's conceded, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So I'm just about to head over to Woolies. I have a few groceries that I need to go pick up. So before we do that, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit and then we get into the video. So this is my outfit. This dress is from Ali Fashion and so is this t-shirt. So yeah, I just decided to pair them together. This is my dress and I just put my hair up in a ponytail and then just did my edges. So we're just gonna head out right now and then I'm gonna update you guys later, probably when I'm at the shop. And yeah, so I'll see you guys soon.
if I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on myself, it's true. Pick apart the things I do. Been in hiding, backsliding, keep rewinding, pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking out for signs. I'm scared that I'm running out of time, trying to tell myself I'm fine. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head but I can't say no. Hate that I do this all the time. Don't wanna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. You can plan it, I really thought that I would have it mostly figured out by now. Tired of that bringing me down. It's automatic and it's tragic, 'cause what matters every second that I lose, I wish I could get back to. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking my whole life. Don't care if I'm running out of time. I don't wanna waste tonight. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head but I can't
almost home now, and then we're just gonna go home and make dinner. Hi guys, so we're back now, and I'm just about to put away our groceries. And you pay, Baba. So I'm just about to put away our groceries, and then I'm gonna make us something to drink. I'm gonna make a smoothie because that was a really nice walk. It was a very long walk, and we need something to drink. So let's.
Trying to find the faith I knew. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking out for signs. I'm scared that I'm running out of time. Trying to tell myself I'm fine. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head, but I can't say no. Hate that I do this all the time. Don't wanna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah.
This is so refreshing. It is our go-to smoothie all the time. Cheers.
You can plan it. I really thought that I would have it mostly figured out by now. Tired of feeling now. And it's tragic, doesn't matter. Every second I do is always trying to get back to. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking my whole life. Don't care if I'm running out of time. I don't wanna waste tonight. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head, but I can't say no. Not gonna do this all the time. Not gonna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna
How to
think
make
about it
strawberries.
now. I don't wanna think
Strawberry, Maya.
I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, if I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on myself, it's true. Pick apart the things I do. Been in hiding, backsliding, keep rewinding, pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking out for signs. I'm scared that I'm running out of time. Trying to tell myself I'm fine. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head, but I can't say no. Hey, mostly figured out by now. Tired of them bringing me down. It's automatic and it's tragic, cause what matters every second that I lose, I wish I could get back to always. Not that it would just feel right. I've been looking my whole life. Don't care if I'm running out of time.
Okay guys, so this is the end of this vlog. I'm going to go and enjoy my dinner, and then after I'm gonna wash the dishes, but I'm not gonna record that part because I've been recording like for so long and I'm like so tired now. So I'm just gonna go and eat my dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a little bit different. I don't think I've ever vlogged like this before, and I actually liked it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, see you guys next time.